Hi, I'm Matt Walker, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use ManagementStudio to coordinate with teams and external suppliers on your transformation and service delivery. So let's see what this looks like in the tool. Now, as a project manager, I'll be aligned to multiple projects simultaneously, and I can manage and track all of these through one instance of ManagementStudio. And in the console, I can simply switch between whichever project I want to work on. And all the information that is relevant to that particular project is stored and accessible through the console. So let's take an example of a Windows 11 migration. We're at the point where we need to start putting our applications through discovery and the packaging process. So how do we manage that? Well, first of all, let's move through to our applications module. And I'm going to choose an application. In this case, we'll go with Audacity. It's currently ready for packaging, so I'm going to allocate that to one of our packaging team. I simply right click, choose Teams from the menu, and choose My Packager. In this case, I'm going to choose My Account. Maybe I also want to add some additional information before the packaging work starts. So let's open Audacity again. And I'm going to come over to the side and just create a new note. I can also specifically notify a user just by selecting the name in here, and we'll click Save. So as you can see, it's incredibly simple to allocate work and collaborate in real time, and negates the need to have a large team that manage this process. I'm just logging into ManagementStudio as myself, and we'll see that I've got a note just down the bottom advising me that I've been allocated to the Audacity app, and also we have a notification in the top right corner. So I've also received an email advising that there's work waiting for me, and I've got a shortcut which I can click here that opens the Audacity record directly in ManagementStudio. Now there's a lot of information we can complete here, but the key thing here is you'll notice that the note that we provided in the previous section has been copied through. So inevitably, as you go through this process, you're bound to encounter issues. And we can manage that by raising a defect either globally or against particular records. So in this case, I'm going to use the defect option here to add a new defect against Audacity. We'll provide a bit of basic information and open up the record details. Now there's lots of information here that we can add, such as severity, priority, and we can also use the notes feature here to involve other users and share the information that we're finding. So we've talked about how we can allocate activities to individual users, we can raise defects, but what about when we need to ask people to do something specifically for us? Well, for that we use the tasks. So let's just close this down and we'll move across into our task menu here. By default, you'll be presented with the Kanban view, which gives you a really simple way of viewing the overall status of your tasks. So let's start by creating a new task, and we'll add a subject and a description. And just click New. So my new task is just down the bottom, so let's open this up. And we can provide a little bit more information around the priority and category. We can also change who will be working on this, and any key dates in terms of when it started, when it's due. There we go, that's tasks. And again, a really simple way of collaborating with other users, sharing information and involving them in any project activities. At the heart of collaboration within ManagementStudio is our centralized database, which provides a single source of truth. We've seen how a change made by one user can be instantly accessed by another. We've shown how users are notified in real time when activities are allocated to them or tasks and defects require their input. This ensures that all members of the team, regardless of their location, have got access to the most recent and up-to-date information that drives change in your organisation. If you want to be notified of when we have more videos like this, do sign up to our newsletter at ManagementStudio.com. I'm Matt Walker, thanks for watching.